Google Classroom is a free online virtual space for learning where trainers can create, set and grade assignments for learners. It's easy to use and accessible from a computer, tablet or smartphone. Anyone and everyone can collaborate on and share documents and files for all types of work. Due to the COVID-19 breakout, schools were closed in March and teachers needed to find a new way of teaching their children, and this would be digitally. Following lots of requests from teachers and schools for help with the Google Classroom, we found a fantastic trainer who delivered an initial 5 sessions for us via Zoom. This was so successful that we ended up with over 300 on our waiting list. We then provided another 2 blocks of sessions, and in total we have provided 30 sessions, and over 2,000 participants have received training in the Google Classroom. As you can see from the feedback, our members are now a lot more confident with using Google Classroom and the tools that come with it. I feel more ready to really get to grips with putting work onto the classroom. These have been really useful sessions and I have learned so much to improve my own digital competency and to add impact to my lessons. Google Classroom opens up so many possibilities for me and my students. We also set up some classrooms for the groups, so it's a nice space for them to be able to check in with each other, share ideas and also connect with the trainer. So if there were issues or things they were unsure of, he would answer their questions. So I think that has been a great help for them and a confidence booster. I also used the training as I was my daughter's teacher during lockdown and her school uses Google Classroom. So it was a way of me being able to help my daughter. I could see what work has been set for her and what she had submitted or not submitted. And yeah, I think it was a great support for myself. I'm not so sure my daughter felt the same way because I was checking on her, but we got through it. But overall, it's a fantastic tool, Google Classroom, and I totally recommend some training in it.